星が並ぶ世界で空幅切りなく広がる時間の淵で生きている夢の中で時を超えて毎晩目を閉じて青の中に漂い夢の音に響いていつもあなたを探してる私たちは未来の恋人夜の糸に結ばれて違う次元の二つの魂暗闇の中で光を見つける夢の中をさまよいながら真実に感じる愛の中で夜空に光る未来の恋人いつもあなたを夢見てる風にささやく声遠い世界の中で夜の影に隠れる私たちの残る場所で月の光が消えて星が踊り始める空間を越えてドアの中で漂っている私たちは未来の恋人夜の糸に結ばれて違う次元の二つの魂暗闇の中で光を見つける夢の中をさまよいながら真実に感じる愛の中で夜空に光る未来の恋人いつもあなたを夢見てる世界が交われば星が導く時と空の隙間を渡り毎日夢の中で生きる私たちは未来の恋人夜の糸に結ばれて違う次元の二つの魂暗闇の中で光を見つける夢の中をさまよいながら真実に感じる愛の中で夜空に光る未来の恋人いつもあなたを夢見てる星が並ぶまで世界が交わるまで夜を越えて夢を見続ける甘くて切ない私たちの愛未来の恋人たち君と僕夢の中で一つになる
Hello guys, so this is the final build of in Era Thunderbolt. Thunderbolt Cosmic Zero Purpose Combat Robot. I think the designer set this robot as a galactic battle robot, galactic battle suit for all the space war. At the first look, I'm not that interested in this kit, but when I see someone building this on YouTube and making review of that, one of them make the pose like this, the mobile suit standing on top of the spacecraft. I think that's interesting, so I bought this, and turns out not disappointing. You can see the model is quite aggressive, a lot of color separation but with same tone. That's why I'm not using the water slides, because the kit it's already too noisy, like a lot of panels, a lot of colors, especially the red is kind of highlighting, and the yellow, and I'm adding a lot of mechanical accent, okay, with some silver and bronze. What is Hobby Mio metallic color model pen, I think. I'm adding all the bronze on the thruster for the plane and for the missile launcher, and yeah, some of the on the stand even I'm using. So this is it. It's quite aggressive, and mainly I'm building a Chinese kit. The kit already give you the metal frame, but not this one. You need to build it yourself from plastic. It's good, I think, but if you see on the time lapse, you can see the skeleton, the inner frame is, there's a lot of details like piping or maybe some bolt, a lot of that details, and you know that thing is sharp when you push it with your thumb. So yeah, it give you some damage when you're building. It gives some damage when you're building the inner frame, but not the outer frame. For the enjoyment of the building, I give it like maybe 3.5. Like, there's nothing new in this kit, but it's quite enjoyable. Not like the fun dodging one, the RX-78. That one, it's, bro, I don't even want to remember that. You can pose a lot of things, like you can move the plane as a backpack, and even you can move this thruster backpack into the back of the plane to make it complete. Or you can check this. Alright, so this is one of the weapon. You can take this and put it like on here to make the gun bigger, or you make dual wielding. But I think the most unique pose is the one that's standing with the plane, because I never see any other kit that's standing on the plane. The plane has its own cannon, its gun. The articulation of the plane is pretty good because it's supposed to be a backpack. The negative thing about the bad side of this kit is the stand is fixed, so you cannot angle the stand, especially this the plane. I think if you can angle the plane a bit lower, it will be cooler, because you can make like the pose as the model suit standing on the plane, like want to attack the enemy while standing on the plane. That was cool, like Green Goblin, Green Goblin riding the glider. And you can see the resemblance of the aircraft. The jet is more like a glider of the goblin. And yeah, this is it. It's a bit too purple for me. Maybe we need a little splash of black. If the inner frame is black, I think it's pretty interesting. But I think in Era trying new things, there's a lot of color correction, stickers, but I choose not to using it, and I choose using this. It's okay, but yeah, it make your work kind of easier. And I'm adding some accent right here, like on the skirt, on the eye, on the plane. Oh, and this one, the thruster and the piston. The piston's supposed to be red, and yeah, this one, the cables supposed to be purple, but I'm adding another splash of color. Yeah. Okay, so this is in Era Thunderbolt. I think if you like something like Perfect Strike Gundam, maybe you're gonna quite enjoy this, because it resembles the same, like the backpack. I guess that's it. I'm gonna give you the b-roll, and thank you for watching. See you in my next build. Probably I'm gonna building a Gundam Wing. The Gundam Wing, the Snow Prelude from the band. Well, I'm tired of building a Chinese brand, but it's quite good. See you later.